Hey guys, Aussie Steve here from Home Buyer Louisiana. We buy houses in any condition in Louisiana. Here at a property we purchased a while ago. We purchased it December 1st last year. It's now January 23rd, I think, maybe 24th. So a little under 2 months ago, I did a video when we purchased it. Someone had owned it for a long time. They just wanted to sell for cash as is on a certain date. They want to sell on the 1st of December. They reached out to us a bit before that actually. They want to close on that day. So we closed on that day and they moved out and we took over the property. Just want to give you an update what it looks like. It was a dated property. It had a bunch of ceiling damage from Hurricane Ida. So we've obviously we've replaced the sheetrock. We put new insulation on top. We fixed it, and we've also just updated the place, fully painted. Got some new light fixtures in the place. The kitchen was okay, and if it was a rental, I probably would have left it, but we are flipping this. We're going to sell it to a new homeowner. So we rehabbed the kitchen. We did use the existing cabinets, but we painted them. Hasn't got the handles on it yet. That's coming next. We should list this next week, hopefully. But with nice color, painted them, refinished them. New stone, new faucets. So just basically making it a new kitchen, new flooring. We did keep this flooring. It was okay in this room. It's in Gentilly. It's not a high-end property. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, so more affordable. So we didn't go overboard with the rehab, but we definitely updated it. We totally updated this bathroom. New tiles, new tile surround, new tub, new faucets. So still get the mirror here. So still a couple little finishing touches we're putting on. This bathroom again, new floor, new vanity, lighting. We actually kept some of the original. So yeah, now it's a nice clean house, ready for a new homeowner. A 2-bedroom, 2-bath in Gentilly. So when the houses look like this, we probably aren't your buyer. So we like to make houses look like this. So if your house is beautiful and nice, then we're probably not your buyer. We would not your buyer. You'll probably best list with a realtor and get a homeowner to purchase it. But if you've got a house that's got some damage, this one wasn't too bad, but it definitely had damage from Ida, which you want to fix. While the kitchen and bathroom was fine, if she could have rented it out as it was, but she didn't want to be a landlord. She wanted to be gone with it and sell it. And just when you have a dated kitchen, if you haven't updated it in the last decade, just the home, even if it's fine and nice and functional and you're living there, it's just not what a new homeowner wants to buy, right? When they're buying a house, they want something that's moving ready, that's updated. So it's just hard to sell the houses when they're not updated. People won't pay as much for them, but even they just don't want them. They're just, if I'm buying a home, I want it updated. It's just what they do. So, if you can update it and sell it. That's the best thing to do. That's what we do, right? But if you don't want to spend the time, effort, money to do that, and just want to sell it at a fair price, all cash as is, then we'll come in and fix it. We do this for a living, so it's gonna be much less stress for us to do a rehab on a house than for you probably if you don't do this very often. And we're gonna probably do a lot cheaper. We have guys we work with. We probably negotiate better prices because we do volume. And we're just ready for the issues. There are issues. We absolutely have issues, that come up when you start doing a rehab, but the issues we're generally seeing before